What's up business buddies, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is LinkedIn email one follow-up, meaning you will engage first on LinkedIn, fall back using emails if they haven't replied, and this sequence is perfect if your audience is quite active on LinkedIn, and these actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. And then a plan will show up. We made it easier for you to understand more this template, and you will choose next the list of your prospects. You can either select all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next, an invitation will be sent. Next is the conditional statement. If the prospect accepts your invitation within 5 days, you're gonna choose the delay between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and the first message that will be sent. Type your first message. Next, we're gonna move on to the condition if the prospect doesn't accept your invitation within 5 days. An email will be sent instead. So, of course, we need to find his professional email first, and then we're gonna send him the email. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body, and here you go, your campaign is created.